Hey boys and girls, we're working on doing the epoxy pour on my Galaxy countertops here in the sci-fi house. And we're going to play with some fire now. So we use the fire to try to bust any bubbles. So if you see that bubble right here, spreading the torch over it will pop the bubbles by causing the air to expand and make everything nice and clear. I don't want the torch to be pointed downward right into the stuff, but across the surface. You see I'm looking across, like so, as we pour it. Isn't this beautiful? This countertop is making me very happy. And right now we have a black light going that's kind of causing a little bit of glow, which is what we want. Makes it easier to see things like this gas cloud right here. I think it's a little dry here, so I'm going to add some more. And we have this as part of the backsplash that we're going to use on this. So we have a couple of planets on it. Got a dry spot there. I'm going to come back here in just a second. More backsplash. I really like that planet. My friend was over here earlier helping me out, and he did this planet and this planet and that planet over there. He had never done it before either. Don't be afraid to try things you've never done before. You never know when you'll be really good at it. Then we have this bar over here. This one kind of has a nice copper color to it. If you want to see how to make these planets, there are better people than me that can probably teach you, but I did a video yesterday about how we made these. Let's turn that off. So now I've got a few little dry spots. I'm just going to get some epoxy on my brush. Wherever I got a dry spot, I'm just going to add a little bit of epoxy, kind of smooth it back out. Then I'll come back over in that spot with a torch in just a moment. This is a food-safe epoxy. It's important to use a food-safe epoxy when you're doing food prep surfaces. Do I have any over here? I don't think I have any dry spots over here. I did have one right there. And it's okay to just build it up a little bit wherever there's a dry spot. It'll settle down to its own level after a moment. I think there was a dry spot over here. Just a little one. Right there. Just a little dry spot. Let's do a little with the lights off for the black light effects. Kind of see some of these nebulas and such that are glowing. Black light's a little further away from here, so I can't see the glow as well.